In this short video, we want to introduce Chinese agent who is essential at registration of medical device and in vitro diagnostic (IVD). These are our agenda. Let's start to explain what is Chinese agent. What is binding role of Chinese agent stipulated at regulation? You must be surprised that in the reality Chinese agent should fulfill more responsibility to ensure the safety and effectiveness of medical device. If you are confused with different roles of local representative at global registration, please pay attention to no-go role of Chinese agent. The best condition to understand it is to know all important stakeholders in Chinese life cycle of your product related to Chinese agent. At end, we want to share more info in our website, e-learning service, and template. So ask us for any questions. Chinese agent is often translated as local registration partner in plain language who has a business license in China to submit product dossier to Chinese authority, National Medical Products Administration, NMPA. It is not surprised that foreign manufacturer need an authorized party who can speak Chinese to communication with NMPA. In following, we will explain in details for foreign manufacturers indispensable role of Chinese agent. Only designated Chinese agent can apply an account in name of foreign manufacturer to submit product dossier. If you have experience with global registration, this party is also called as in-country or legal representative, U.S. agent for FDA, marketing authorized holder in Japan or responsible person in UK. At Regulations on the Supervision and Administration of Medical Device, State Council Order 739 in year 2021, it stipulates the binding role of Chinese agent. It applies to Class 1, 2, and 3 medical device, including IVD. It is here superficial described that Chinese agent should guarantee quality management, among which the post-market actives is underscored, as adverse event, recall, annual report, periodic risk evaluation report, Chinese PSUR. It is a kind of liaison between legal manufacturer and Chinese authority NMPA. From the experience of global business, it causes often country-specific misunderstanding of Chinese agent. It is mere authorized representative in China to register products at authority. It is not owner of your product and don't need to involve any of after-sales actions without authorization. Chinese agent is not allowed to change submitted labeling, instruction for use, and label. You don't need to assign a distributor as Chinese agent. Actually, you could list both as Chinese agent and distributor on final product certificate. So Chinese agent does registration after sales agent imports and distributes products in Chinese supply chain, which is a typical constellation. You don't need Chinese agent to import product, which is different in many countries as he acts as importer with import license. Sometimes Chinese authority has unexpected inspection. In this matter, Chinese agent should inform Chinese distributor to provide sample to testing. Summarized, Chinese agent is an intermediary between legal manufacturer and Chinese authority at registration, partly coordinator between himself, legal manufacturer, and Chinese authority at post-market activities, at last an expert of regulation in China. It is likely that Chinese distributor likes to argue with Chinese agent. It is due to different interest and covering role after product approval. If adverse event or recall is registered in case by one customer, Chinese agent sees firstly the event. The Chinese agent should analyze with legal manufacturer the root cause of them and report in a given official form with which only Chinese agent has account to log into official database. You will meet many different obligatories after the product approval. It is turning more with strict Chinese regulation. This is beyond the basic registration task. We recommend overseas manufacturer have all services with liability well cleared and updated upon amendment of important regulation in contract. The Chinese agent should proactively explain new regulation UND support manufacturer to make as early as possible the action, however not overreacted for any undecided draft regulation. One important role is after Chinese agent-assisted manufacturer to get one product approved, the product change at cited of manufacturers should be analyzed. Chinese agent is an essential registration partner for your successful market entry in Chinese market. After product approval, it is extended Chinese quality manager to solve all troubles actively and passively with Chinese distributor and Chinese authority. We suggest overseas manufacturer not to assign distributor, due to oft missing regulatory knowledge, as Chinese agent. It is often possible to switch distributor because he could block it occupying essential documents and accounts. It is wise that all Chinese stakeholders has regular meeting adapting arising regulation hurdle in China. Contact us if you need a reliable independent Chinese agent to register medical device or IVD. If you want to controlling different parties to organize your fixed Chinese distributor and Chinese agent, we are keen to moderate. We even support some client to build up an own regulatory group playing Chinese agent. We have even free and professional template checklist matching your demand. For example, you can get a checklist to select your Chinese stakeholder and to prove Chinese contract. Follow our article and blog and website, as well upcoming e-learning.